Hello everyone, today I want to show you how I turned this 1990 beat down bathroom into this 2024 work of art. Let's begin. For the electrical part, I'm bringing my electrician Austin. He is enlarging the holes in the niche and fishing the low voltage wires through. This way all the lights and LED will have a place to get power from. All of the low voltage wires go through the same hole where the future vanity would be. There are 4 low voltage wires in total, 2 for the niche, 1 for where the wall meets the ceiling, and 1 for running down the wall beside the toilet. He then uses a plug to measure out where to cut and use the dust extractor in conjunction with a oscillating multi-tool to make the cut. We fish over 2 high voltage wires, 1 to give power to the future plug and 1 to give power to the future LED mirror. My plumber came in to install the bathtub rough-in. Here you see me testing the water supply and the drain to make sure everything is functioning as intended and there are no leaks. I first started with testing the water supply, making sure water is coming out from respective hoses when I select them. I then stick my phone behind the bathtub to film if there are any water dripping away. Finally, I fill the bathtub all the way up to test the overflow and see if there are any leaks there. I turn the water on to full pressure and watch the connection closely for the next couple hours to see if there are any drips.